Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Lenovo and removing any USB mice or keyboards so you see raw touch behavior. Once done, open Device Manager and expand Human Interface Devices to check for touchscreen entry. Enable it if disabled. Make sure the glass is clean, use a microfiber with 70% isopropyl, and dry it fully because oils or moisture can block capacitive sensing. If you see any error icons, note them for the next step. Next, you handle the software layer. In Device Manager, right-click the touchscreen device and choose Update Driver. If a recent update caused issues, roll back instead. Then run the Windows Hardware and Devices troubleshooter to auto-detect faults and install all pending Windows updates to patch known bugs. Make sure to check BIOS or UEFI for any touch-related toggles and save changes. Finally, perform a full restart rather than a quick reboot to reinitialize the controller properly. For final steps, calibrate the screen in tablet PC settings and test multiple touch points to confirm accuracy. If calibration doesn't help and you're comfortable opening the laptop, power off, disconnect battery, and carefully reseat the display/touch connector. Loose cables are a common culprit. Otherwise, run Lenovo hardware diagnostics to isolate the digitizer. If the problem persists, back up your data and arrange warranty service or a replacement digitizer. Tip: if touch works intermittently, check for loose cabling or bent pins first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.